My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to explain fifth sound, fifth letter of Jolly Phonics Group 1. The letter is P and the sound is puff, spin, cup, pop, pink. My dear kids, what you can see in that picture? Yes, I think so. Here is a birthday party. They are celebrating a birthday party with pink cake. There are lot of gifts and he is calling his friends also. Giving gift is a good habit. But you can see in that picture here is a lot of food, lot of sweets and food is dropping on the floor and also drink. You see here? So drink is dropping, the food is dropping. Oh my god, there's a mice also. Due to wastage of food, due to lot of sweets, bees also here. So my dear kids, don't eat too much sweet. It can damage your teeth. And never drop food because it is wastage of food and Allah will angry with that. Okay, my dear kids, what's the next segment? What's the story behind this picture? Today was Asad's birthday. Oh my god, it's Asad's birthday. You wear green cap, birthday cap. On Asad's choice, Mama had made pink cake. Asad also called his friend. You see here? Here is a friend of Asad. They were dropping food and playing with toys. You should not make a mess to someone's home and eat food carefully without wasting. If you waste your food, this makes Allah angry. So, my dear kids, whenever you want to go any's home, you never waste food and never use toys or anything without any permission. Okay, what's the next? Yeah, it's a poem time. What's the song behind this sound? Puff out the candle on a pink cake. Puff out the candle on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. What's the next segment? Yes, it's a time for word building. So before that, we revise previous sound of Jollyphonic Group 1. First sound is S, second is A, then T, then I, and the fifth sound is P. So we will move toward word building. First of all, we make at, at, p, at, pad, at, at, p, at, pad, app, 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 tap, ip, 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 tip, it, 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 pit, ip, sip. I think so. It's an easy method to make new words by using 3 or 4 sounds. Okay, my dear kids, what the action behind this sound? You pretend you have a candle in front of you. Your fingers is pretending a candle and you blow out the candle like. Thank you so much for this video for my kids. Inshallah, we'll meet on tomorrow with next sound, next letter. Take care. Allah Hafiz.